Top financial tips for millennials. Are you a millennial who feels overwhelmed trying to manage your finances? Are you getting the most out of your money? Financial literacy is not often taught in schools, and they don't do a great job preparing the graduates to manage their finances. So, when you're out of college and start real life, it can be a little overwhelming, and it's easy to get yourself into debt and other financial trouble. Most millennials are currently in their 20s and 30s, a time when many young people are ready to make major financial decisions in their lives, like home ownership, long-term investment activity, etc. If you're currently a part of this generation, here's your crash course on what you should do to improve your financial wellness. Take online financial courses. Since most young adults have the propensity for technology, it's suggested you take a few basic online courses in economics, accounting, and any other financial topics that may be of interest to you. Embrace technology. When it comes down to managing your money, there's probably an app. To help you do that, these apps can categorize your spending habits and help you manage your spending. These insights can help you save money each month and then transfer that money directly to your savings. Online financial apps can help you make a workable budget for your lifestyle and ultimately change your net worth. Now, when it comes down to managing your money, there's probably an app to help you do that. Mobile apps like Clarity Money can help you track any wasteful spending habits. Digit and Stash can recommend where you can save money each month and then transfer that money directly to your savings. Online financial apps can help you make a workable budget for your lifestyle and ultimately change your net worth. Examine your current bank accounts. Are you paying fees? If so, for what? Monthly maintenance and minimum balance fees should never be a fee on your account statement. Checking accounts are available, especially at credit unions, and these accounts will help you keep more of your own money in your pockets. So don't settle for anything else. Build your credit and understand the impact of your credit score. Early on, you may only have a student loan or credit card in your credit report. But now, it's time to start building your credit. Ask your credit union about a credit builder loan to help jumpstart your credit. And if you already have some active loans, make sure you're making payments on time every month. You'll need that good credit history when you want to make big purchases in the future, like a car, rent an apartment, or get a mortgage for your first home. It's also important to know that if you're planning on opening up a business, your personal credit may be the defining factor in your ability to access necessary working capital. Repay debt tactically. Since we're on the topic of credit, a lot of young adults have credit cards with very high interest rates. Focus on paying off those debts first. If possible, transfer those balances to a lower rate credit card. It's much easier to pay down debt when more is going toward the balance. Track everything to obtain your whole financial picture. Just as businesses manage their cash flow, individuals need to do the same by tracking their income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. There are many online tools to help you like Mint, Quicken, and Personal Capital. Build an emergency fund. Unplanned, unfair, unfortunate events can happen in the blink of an eye. You may get in a car accident, have unforeseen medical expenses, or lose your job. That's why it's important for everyone to have an emergency fund. The best way is to set up an automatic savings plan where you pay yourself first by depositing a portion of your paycheck into a separate savings account. If you forget it's there, you won't be tempted to spend it. Create long-term savings strategy. An emergency fund is a short-term strategy, but you also can't forget the big picture. Does your employer offer a matching 401k? If so, be sure to take advantage of that opportunity. It's fundamentally free money, and it's an investment in your future. Get yourself a financial mentor. Even though there is an overabundance of information and apps on the internet to help with your financial security, it's far superior to pick the brain and bounce questions off a trusted friend or colleague. Their pertinent insights will most likely be tailored to your specific requirements. Use these financial tips to get your finances on track while you're still young. You've got a bright future ahead, so start now and stick with it. Your financial well-being will thank you. Although these tips are targeted at millennials, they're useful for all ages. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.